I could really go for some planets right now. Or stars. Or maybe even some solar systems. Hey, Brother Hole.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, remind me, do you know how that solar system's doing? The one that's in the Milky Way.
Oh, they're doing fine. Living as usual.
Time for a little snack.
Yes, Mars. I'm always working on scientific theories, unlike you. Stop pretending to be me already. But I was you. Nope.
Sorry, guys, but I'm gonna have to eat you now.
What the heck? I just continued. We got eaten by a black hole, but now we've turned into black holes ourselves. How? How did that happen? I have no idea, Earth. But who's that? No way. The sun's a black hole too. We gotta figure it out, Moon. I have no idea what's going on with my people. My nature, my everything! Heck, even time! A black hole distorts time, so does that mean time works differently inside me now? If it even works at all? Oh, shut up already! You're driving me nuts! What, buddies? How'd you end up here? So, Jupiter, you're a gas giant too.
Hey, don't compare me to that dumb Saturn. I'm not just gas.
Hello, planets! If you didn't notice, it's me! The most stunning star around! Look how I shine!
Oh, great. This is exactly what we needed.
Yeah, you're right. A miracle! Cause that's what I am! Anyway, I overheard your conversation. Maybe Earth can tell everyone what I'm made of. I'm certainly not made of gas unlike Jupiter and Saturn.
Whatever. I'm not sticking around for this. And next time someone calls me big and fat, take a look at the sun first.
Yeah, I don't want to look at that miracle too. I'd rather spin my ring and keep myself in shape than listen to this nonsense. Fine, let them go. Now Earth, tell about me. Alright, you're made of multiple layers with a really dangerous core. Your outer layer is the photosphere, the part that shines so bright. It's called that for obvious reasons. Then, beneath that is the convective zone, the biggest one, which moves energy outward, basically sending sunlight to me. And then, deeper inside, you've got the radiative zone. That's what gives your light its power, pushing it further out. Well, and what about the core? Your core is like everyone else's, but in your case, it's where nuclear fusion happens. It's a big, endless nuclear explosion. Wait, what? You just said everyone has a core like mine? I'm the most beautiful star in the universe! Oh boy. Hey Moon, careful out there, or you'll become one of the biggest meteorites I've seen in a long time. It's those Mars and Saturn goons playing soccer with me. I'll talk to them later so they don't throw things at me. Last thing we need in 2024 is a meteorite. What's gonna happen? Although I remember how a meteorite fell on you that destroyed all the dinosaurs. I guess we better not do it. Moon, this is a different time. There are many ways to get rid of the meteorite in 2024. For example, a meteorite can change its flight path. And how do you do that? Well, for example, we could send special engines to the asteroid so that they push it in the opposite direction, so it'll fly away from me. That's one of the ways to get rid of a meteorite in 2024. Listen, but what if nothing stops a meteorite and it falls? What'll happen to you? Well, of course it'll be very painful, just like any other meteorite. For example, the last large meteorite fell in Russia, in the city of Chelyabinsk. It was a mass of a ton. Destroyed buildings in a radius of 50 kilometers. But it's good that people are okay. Wow, I'm really sorry for you. And it also depends on where the meteorite falls, because the most valuable thing I have on me is people. And for example, if the meteorite falls in the area of China or India, there will be more chances that there will be problems for people, because there are a lot of people there. I didn't realize it was so complicated. I'll try not to get close to you. Moon, haven't you forgotten that you're our soccer ball?
I just don't get it. I'm the biggest. I'm super slow. And it takes me 11 years to orbit the sun. But Earth says that I'm also really gassy. People apparently even call me a gas giant. Huh. Actually, they call me a gas giant too! Oh, and unlike you, they also call me sporty because I've been spinning my rings my entire life. And you're just big and fat. Really? That's why I take 11 years to go around the sun and you take 29. Super sporty, right?
Hey, what's going on here? Are you guys fighting?
Oh, we are! The dumb Jupiter said I'm not sporty! And he also said he's gassy!
You're both gas giants, actually. Well, unlike me, for example. I'm not a gas planet. I'm a solid planet with layers and even a core.
Tell us more about what you're made of.
Sure thing. At the very top, you've got the crust. That's where all the humans hang out. And the fish swim in the water, the surface stuff you can see. Beneath that is the mantle, which makes up most of me. It's this big, thick layer that people show as red on those diagrams you can find online. Then there's the outer core, which surrounds the inner core, my hot, dense center. So, yeah, and you're made of gas, hydrogen, ammonia, and a core.
Can you be more specific? Yeah, loser. You're just 4 elements.
You too?
What the
Another brilliant day! Strange. I feel... No, I'm almost certain that I used to shine brighter. Am I aging? No, that can't be. I'm the sun after all. I'm always bright and beautiful. Oh, Earth, please tell. Don't you think I, well, dimmed a bit? Maybe there is some cosmic face cream that you know of.
Do you really want to know my opinion? Despite me always telling you that you're getting uppity for no reason.
You're just jealous, but I understand you, so it's all good.
Oh, well, in that case, honestly, you're not even the brightest star in our galaxy.
What?
Yep, if you look closely, way over there, see that handsome fellow? That's Sirius, and it's 22.5 times brighter than you.
This can't be. Oh, horror. It seems I should start looking for retirement homes for aging stars.
That's nothing. Ever heard of quasars?
What?
Quasars. They're also called universe lighthouses. They form when two galaxies the size of the Milky Way collide with each other. As a result, a supermassive black hole consumes all the stars in both galaxies, and its magnetic field creates a bright glow.
Oh, a glow? How bright is it?
Are you really interested?
Yes.
You absolutely positively want to know?
Yeah.
Quasars are 600 trillion times brighter than you!
Oh my goodness!
Yep, that's right. Like I said before, you need to be more humble, son.
So it means the brightness of all objects in the universe is measured by me?
What? I didn't...
Yes, exactly! I'm not the brightest, but I'm the only one worthy of being the unit of measurement for the brightness of all objects in the observable universe! Thanks, Earth! I never realized how important I am! Hey, Mars! Did you know that? You know? Oh, you really don't know anything. Being so brilliant is so exhausting. Sometimes you just want to be, well, you know, inconspicuous, unremarkable, dull. Oh, just like Jupiter. Look at him. Absolutely plain. A big gas nobody. Yeah, he could use a little self-improvement. Uh-huh. We're almost the same age and I know for sure. He's always been like that. You know what else? Can you imagine he once wanted to become a star too? Him? But apparently once he found out how much effort it would take, he immediately dropped the idea.
Listen, you're behaving like pigs.
Your earthly terms again. I don't even want to hear them.
Just so you know, Jupiter, even though not a star, also shines. It's the third brightest in my night sky. And in those distant places of the galaxy where you, my arrogant son, are too lazy to shine, Jupiter's practically the main source of light there.
Whoa, I didn't know that. Saturn, did you know? Your neighbors after all. Well, the thing is, you can't throw the ball out of the rings, so those folks really don't get much light from you. Seems like you're losing track, Earth. Who is everyone revolving around? I have a whopping 9 satellites. Not like some others, right, Earth?
Only 9? I have 83.
Hey, let us go!
And your beloved Jupiter, by my recent count, 95. So stop spilling the tea on him. Earth, your Earthisms are seriously getting on my nerves.
But how? Darn it, it turns out that we're the losers. What his secret? He's just a dim-witted lazy ball of gas. Literally a floating fart, the apogee of uncoolness.
Oh, you said you didn't like Earthisms. It's simple. Unlike you, my arrogant ones, Jupiter is truly a good guy. Maybe he's not as bright and not as athletic and doesn't set goals for himself, but he values everyone around him. There's your answer. Son, your pride will be your downfall someday.
And yours someday will be me.
Earth, I want to know all your secrets. I already know the secrets of Jupiter, Neptune, and Mars, and now I want to know yours. I'm not telling anyone.
Like what secrets?
Well, any secret. For example, Jupiter told me that there's a red spot on it. In fact, that's not a pimple as I thought all my life, but the strongest storm that can be seen even on Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system.
So you're saying you're not telling anyone?
Well, yes. By the way, do you want to know the secret of Neptune?
Sure.
Well, he's insanely stinky, and he's fully aware of it. He's so embarrassed about it, but when he interacts with other planets, he pretends he doesn't smell. But he told me his secret.
I overheard your conversation, Saturn. Didn't expect that from you. If you say anything what I told you, you're in for it.
Yeah, I guess I won't talk about him. So, Earth, will you tell me?
You want to know the secret of the universe?
Of course I want to!
So we're actually inside the universe. It doesn't tell us about it, but we're all inside it.
What? No way. Actually, it's true. What?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. By the way, there's a new video.